She gave him candy buttons, sweet eyes, and a happy smile. Into the oven he went. Whoo! Warm and toasty. But oh my! The gingerbread man jumped up. Catch me if you can. The old woman ran after him.
Then the old man joined too.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
Stop, little cookie! You can't catch me!
But he laughed. You can't catch me. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
Catch that cookie!
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. But then he reached a river. Oh no! Oh no!
I can help you cross.
The gingerbread man climbed onto the fox's back.
Climb up to my head so you won't get wet.
So the gingerbread man climbed up, higher and higher.
And then, gulp, the fox ate the gingerbread man.
And that was the end of the gingerbread man.